April is National Poetry Month, so I know you and your students are doing all things poetry. But how many times have you mentioned the word poetry and students moan and groan? Somewhere in their academic career, they've come up with the idea that writing poems is hard and boring. I have a website that can help you change their mind. It's called Poetry Games. In this website, there's a poetry machine, and students can create original poems using the patterns and the different formulas for each of these poems. It's an easy way to get them comfortable writing poetry, and it even shares examples. We'll start with the phone number poem. So when students click on the phone number poem, it gives them a set of directions, an example, and then the space to create their own. Once they've created their own, they can make a screenshot and share that with you. Let's go back and take a look at some of the other options in Poetry Machine. Another one that you might not be familiar with is the emotional animal poem. Directions are given again. I really like this one because if you're teaching reading and writing along with poetry, you can see that the word hate could be used as a topic or a theme from some of your literature or your reading selections, and they can use that and synthesize the information from the literature into a new form, into this emotional animal poem or something similar to that. So in this poetry machine, you'll find several different types of formula poems where students can actually go in, get directions, and learn to create poetry. I think this will break the ice. It'll take away some of that stigma of poetry as being difficult or boring. If you have questions about Poetry Machine, send me a message. I'm happy to help. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll talk to you soon.